So I think it's a bit noisy actually. But it's pre-travel day. So we are going to Euro Disney in the morning. So tonight Jamie and I are staying in London. I'm staying at King's Cross or near King's Cross, around that area, Premier Inn. Hopefully you can hear me. And then we're going to go for dinner maybe around like Camden Town or somewhere. I may have got that completely wrong, but Jamie's been watching some vlogs from Sorted Food, so I think we're going to try somewhere else. So I have just been dropped off by one of my friends at work at the local train station in Newbury, so I've got to go to Reading, then to Virginia Water, where I'll meet Jamie, because that's not far from his work, and then we will head to King's Cross. So I have my case. It's quite a big case given we're only going to Sunday, but I have got thick jumpers because it's literally quite cold, and what if I want to buy something? And just that luggage. So yes, so really busy morning at work. Kind of feel like I've forgotten something because I was kind of in a rush as I left. My calls were overrunning, so yeah, so I'll take you with me. Let's hope this journey is straightforward.
The next station is Newbury Racecourse. This is a Great Western Railway service to Reading.
So just on the Reading train now to Portugal. I was meant to meet Jamie for Virginia Water, but I think he's going to get on at Chertsey. We'll see. We're in London. We're in the city. Oh. We're country folk.
We're Waterloo.
I couldn't film on the train because it was packed. We were taking up 4 seats with all of our luggage, so I felt a bit guilty.
Yeah, but you've got like a massive suitcase.
I have. I showed everyone my suitcase.
I've only got a little one. And I've only got a little suitcase.
So yeah, we're gonna go and get on the underground, so I'll show you what I can, which is probably not a lot. We're at King's Cross. We went on the Northern Line, and for anyone who remembers a band called the Northern Line, I'm going to try and find some footage and put it in just here. But we're actually at King's Cross now, and it's beautiful. I have to stop to show you.
1812 service to via
About 9 3/4.
What?
9 3/4, somewhere around here.
Jamie says that's Harry Potter. I don't think Harry Potter wears glittery red trousers. Staying at the Hub by Premier Inn, just outside King's Cross. When you come in, it's pretty funky. Looks like there's cocktails in there. So far, looks pretty modern, minimalistic. I don't know if that means it's going to be tidy.
Cozy. There's rooms in ground floor as well.
Oh.
This is our room.
This is about as big as it'll be, I reckon.
Buy our breakfast in the land. 10:45.
10:45. You running? Is it ours?
Oh.
Jimmy gonna run. 10:45. Oh, compact. This is it, everyone. This is it. This is the wall. The bed. Bijou. This is smaller than Citizen M in New York, and that's a pretty small room.
Yeah.
The bed looks really small as well.
Let's spend the night together. That's what it said.
So it does. It's a nice bit of artwork on the wall. It's good the TV there.
Baker Street, Sloane Square.
That's good, there's USB ports and the thing. There's like weird controls on the bed. I'm assuming that's just
Lights, bedtime reading.
fan, etc. Oh.
It's like
That's doing funny stuff to my camera.
half lights, full lights. Oh. Do you not make that room?
Right, I'm going to take coat off and stuff. We've headed out for the evening. We're going to I'm not sure. Camden. But look. It's so pretty. This is Jamie taking a photo. Very arty. Should wait for that lady to go. It's a big swing in there.
A bird cage.
Yeah, it's a bird cage.
It's a bird cage.
Yeah. There's a bird in there. So this is where Jamie is taking me to. A place called Bird.
Yeah, don't match. The piece is quite full.
Is that fudge on yours? It wasn't open. Jamie, wasn't open.
Some was.
There was a soup ladle place and a pitta place, and that was it. Pitiful.